Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit username on Instagram. So if you want to edit your username on Instagram, here's how you can get it done. You have to open your Instagram app on your phone. Then from there you tap on the profile icon. Once you tap on it, then you tap on this 3-line button at the right top corner. You tap on it, then you tap on this option which is account center. Tap on it, then you tap on this option as well, which is profiles. Tap on profile, then you tap on your username profile, then from there then you tap on the username. Once you tap on username, then right here you have your username option. Just tap on the option, then you can easily edit add any username of your choice. I'm just going to add in this, then that is how to edit. And for you to confirm if this username is actually is available, once you input your username, this has to change into this mark right here. This shows that this username is actually available. If it's not available, it will not show. So you can see this is what is going to show. This is error that says this particular username is not available. So you have to try and be creative with your username so you can get username that is available. You can see this now. Confirm this username is available, and I'm just going to tap on done, and that's it. If I have a video helpful, I can follow for more. Thank you.